Okay, let's get right to it, guys. Who's ready? Who's ready to hunt? Okay, we are live. Yes, is a bloodbath for today. Is a bloodbath. Okay, we have the first question. LKCO, AMC, what else? A lot of bloodbath today. We're gonna talk, guys, the game plan for the next week because we have to change a lot of things. We have to be ready. Hi, Luis from Miami is here. Yes. Doing good, going good. Right. Doing good, brother. Hi, Phil. The gang is here. Everybody's ready. That's really good. You remember the time, 10 o'clock p.m. Paris time. This is good. Okay, guys, let's get things started and started with AMC because AMC doesn't respect this the price, guys. And we went down really crazy today for AMC. Then we go to LKCO. Look with me what's going on with AMC because it was a bit crazy for AMC. Okay. I don't know why. Yeah, it's a big bloodbath for AMC, and look what's going on to AMC. We broke, guys, from our triangle, as you can see here. Hopefully you saw the video, and we predicted the price that will hit our support here and at 36 and today at 33, and we went down. So the game plan for this one for AMC, by tomorrow we're gonna see a test again for the 36. If we not, we're gonna see the 25 and the 20 really soon. Big sell-off for AMC, big sell-off the moment that we went from this triangle. Now we dropped even from our support, as said, and now we filling the gap that we did here, you see, at the 1st of June. We filled the gap, and the pre-market as 32, guys, below the gap. The pre-market is below the gap, and today we filled the gap. So by tomorrow, if we open at the 32, we're gonna see the 25, guys, really soon. And the big support for AMC is around LKCO, as a lot of you actually ask me about LKCO. Wait a second. Let me see your questions. Okay, Lawrence, talking about AMC. I don't know about this. Oh man. Okay, let's go to LKCO. Okay, let's go to LKCO. LKCO dropped around our triangle, guys. This is really crazy what's going on to LKCO, guys. It's testing our the triangle. As I said, there's a big chance that we're gonna see the $1.40, guys, for LKCO. $1.40 is the big price for a market maker. $1.40, $1.45 here. We're gonna see a price hold up and bounce at this level. So be careful from this level, $1.45, because now we testing it. And as I said, guys, it's not good for LKCO. A lot of you, even from our Patreon, A lot of you want to buy. I told you don't buy because it's still not like testing the price. The $2.24 is the perfect price if you want to buy, because this will be explosion. And here is not good because we are on the $81.85 and we broke from it and I see a sign of weakness. That's why I told you patience, guys. Patience. Don't just jump and just buy anything until we have a clear indication for at least for to test the price before we go any higher. Oh la la. We'll see about AMC in a bit. MMAT, yes, MMAT is crazy. What's going on with MMAT, guys? Because the price is jumped down, and for AMMT, wait a second. We'll go to AMT in a bit. Yes, MMAT. Look with me what's going on to MMAT, guys. Yes, as was said, guys, we have the perfect bounce from the $3.55. And as I said, today we're gonna see a test here, and I told you guys if we close above our exponential average will be perfect. We closed today above our exponential average, and the pre-market is around the exponential average precisely. Look, and we testing our exponential average right now. By tomorrow, guys, by tomorrow we need to hold this, really important. Here, this level, by tomorrow we want to open around the $4.20, above the $4.20. Below will be is like a sign of weakness, but we're gonna hold above the $4 will be good. But the perfect price if we hold here in order to test the $4.87. And really good that we actually saw the bounce here. Hopefully will be this is the bottom for MMAT. Man. Okay. We'll do humble in a bit. Wait a second. I will do humble, of course, Lauren. What else we have? The questions for you guys. And no problem, Phil. Yes, AMT, it was perfect hit. We hit their target exactly. Okay, right. ADX, we gonna go to see ADX again. Okay, ADX. We'll see what's going on to ADX right now. Where ADX? Okay, ADX. Let's see. Okay, for ADX, okay, for ADX, look with me, right? We actually still holding the support around the $2.38, and we got below this ascending line. This is a bit of sign of weakness. And yes, wait a second. Yeah, the volume is dropping. So for this one, I'm not actually interested in this one because yeah, is a bit. Look with me. We have the two tests here around the $2.66. So this is a sign of weakness here. If we want the price to go up for this one for ADX, we want to close above the $2.70 here in order to see the $3 and above. But we got rejected. This is really important level for ADX if we want to see a price jump. And again, if we just buy tomorrow, don't like here, see with me. We have like a clear indication of weakness right now because we test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle close below our support here around the $2.42. This is really bad, you know, because if we don't go above and close and we confirm here, we go even below, this will take us really low around, wait a second, let me go higher. This will take us really low, guys. This is really important to note because we might even see the $2, around the $2, okay? If we just buy tomorrow, confirm that we not actually above our support here, the $2.40, the $2.42. The good price that changed the momentum is around the $2.70. We need to close above in order to go above here. This is a sign of weakness if we continue to be below our support, the support or the resistance. No problemo, Lauren. Okay, we'll do humble. Okay, Louise, Ferb. Louise said Ferb. We'll talk about Shady. We'll talk about AMC in a bit. Okay, let's take Louise. Louise asked about this stock, VERB. Let's see this one, and then we're gonna see at least the other questions that we got from you guys. Okay, this one we already covered, I think. Yeah, this one. Wow, this one exploding, guys, as we said, exploding, and we got above, wait a second, and the pre-market is actually exploding around the $2.84, and we got rejected so many times around the resistance, the $2.61. We don't see a closing candle. Look with me, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even this one is not a clear indication for a closed candle. We need a closing candle. By tomorrow, we're gonna see a confirmation because after hours is $2.82. And the big rejection area is around the 3. So still here will be still not a clear indication and just a test, guys. Here big test for tomorrow and above the $3. So this is still like will be worrying sign. If we got a rejection again here, we might see a big drop again around the $1.84. So be careful from this one around the $3.08. This is really important for tomorrow, a test for tomorrow around the $3.08. And if we close above, this will be a big explosion. But be careful, be patient, because here a big rejection, we got rejection 3 times or 4 times, and this is a B warning sign. If we got rejected here, we're gonna go back around the $1 again here, around this technical area, around $1.90 or $2 again, to see a bit of momentum, like consolidation before we go again. So really be patient and be careful from this behavior right now, what's going on, because here a sign of rejection. We need a closing candle above the $3.08, 1 or 4 hour candle, to actually confirm that we're actually going even higher for this one. And from there we're gonna see a bigger like explosion, at least for the price go until the 5. So if we saw the price close around the $3.08 and close here, the price will go until the $5, guys. Here will be a really nice taking profit for our stock. And okay, Louise, you already have a position in this stock? Because as I said, there's a big rejection even below the $3. If you want to get in again, if we saw a confirmation above the $3.08, you can get in again to take a profit around the 5. But be careful, because this is a massive rejection. Either we're gonna see explosion or a big massive rejection. So you have to have a bit of profit. Take your profit underway. And if we close above the $3.08, get in again to actually take a profit above. So always take a profit underway. Guys, push the like button so you actually help the algorithm and reach a lot of hunters. And Hendrix Verbs, hello. Yes, we already talked about Verb. Average price around $2.98. Wait a second. Come on, Louise, again. You still do the same mistake with the Marine. Try to not get in again. Never get in again until we see a confirmation. Take your profit, stay in the sideline, don't actually go in again. This is where you lose all the gain that you did. And Rohit, for TRCH MMT, if you we hold above the $4 would be a really good sign to test the level that I talked about here. So this will be a really good for MMAT. Okay, so this is a good reaction that we saw right now. The price jump right now precisely around our level. So we almost actually hit our resistance. See with me, guys, the $4.87. And we have the wick around the $4.68. So we almost there, okay? So by tomorrow, if we hold around as I said, above our exponential average, around the $4.20 will be really perfect. And the less good scenario is above the $4. This will be still good to test again the $4.87. And here, massive rejection, guys. Expect either massive rejection or massive explosion. It will be a really good sign if we exploded, then we actually bounce from this level from above. Like this one, okay? So it will be a really good scenario if we by tomorrow get this and we get a bit of sign of weakness, but we bounce from there. This would be perfect scenario for MMAT for tomorrow. This would be perfect sign, not a rejected but explosion. Then we test the level from above in order to actually go to $6.26. This will be perfect. But first we have to hold above this, okay? Above our exponential average. This will be a sign of strength because today we hold it actually. Today we hold, as we said in the video that we did at 9 p.m. Hopefully you saw it. And if we saw, let's see the after hours. Yeah, we're still holding about $4.24. Let's see AMC. Tough. Okay, and yeah, as I said, for AMC guys, it's a bit of after we broke, as I said, from this triangle was really big sign of weakness. So the big buying pressure either will happen around the 25 or the 20. The biggest one, it will be around the 20, guys. This is a big massive buying pressure will happen around this technical area if we never actually go above the 36 again. If we got test here around the 36 and we get down here, the massive buying pressure will be around the 25 and the 20 here, where we're gonna see a big buying pressure for AMC again. Let me see what's your question, guys. We already cover it, ADX. We already cover it. I think you, hopefully you saw the video, Rohit. Yes, AHT, of course, Luis. We'll talk about BlackBerry, Ahmed. We'll talk about BlackBerry soon. Okay, we'll talk about BlackBerry and AHT right now. Okay, we have Workhorse, Sensionic, Wish, Naked, BlackBerry, Humble. Okay. Clean Energy and CCL, Space, and Incisive. Okay, need to get out at. Yes, Luis. Even before, because this is the massive rejection between the $3 and the $3.08, massive rejection. Wait until we see a confirmation candle. I will actually do a video for Patreon for pre-market, so don't worry about this. And Nicole, happy to see you here. We're gonna cover Space and CCIV soon. Rohit, of course, Clean Energy and CCLL, we're gonna cover it really soon. What else? Hendrix, okay, we covered VERB, we covered it earlier. And yes, right now let's go to Louise AHT and we cover Nicola. We just take one stock for each, okay? Because we have a lot of stock to cover, guys. So we gonna take a second, Virgin Galactic, guys. It have a lot of sell-off today. We're gonna talk about it. And Clean Energy. Okay, let's get right to it. Let's go for this one first and see what's going on to this one. Yes, AMC is still around the 32, 1%, 68 after hours. And this one, I think we covered it before, I believe. Okay. Man. Yes. Wow, this one, okay. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, okay, okay. Yes, for this one we got back around the support around the $2.15. Yes, here I don't know what's going on with this one. Let me clear things out. Okay. Let me just make things clearer. It's around this area. AHT. So is around the $2.12 for this one. Yeah, $2.12. So yeah, kind of went down for the support again, around the support again. So this is, I think, like a loading phase again. This kind of box right now, before any explosion happen, always the price go back, gravitate around this area between the $2 and $5. So I think here the good price to actually average down or buy before we actually take a profit around the $5 here around this area, and the ultimate take a profit around the 9. But be careful because this kind of like stock is actually relying on the news, and whenever we see a bit of catalyst we see a big spike and then a dormant phase before we actually see another price go up. But again, be careful from this gap because I don't like the gap. After the gap like this, we're gonna see a consolidation a lot here. So don't get in this one until we see a confirmation for change of price. We'll actually update you about this if there's a momentum change before it happen. And wait a second, was the next stock we're gonna talk about is okay, we're gonna talk about Virgin Galactic, and then we're gonna talk about clean energy. Yes, Virgin Galactic is have a big sell-off, guys. We don't respect any support. I told you the 41 really important level to hold. Here, really important level. We didn't even bounce from it. And look with me. We have a bit of test here. We did at the 13th of July. Boom. A test rejected and then jumped down. And the price is still going down, guys. So be careful. We might even go as low as this level, okay? This is the last support for Virgin Galactic around the 24.38 here. I could actually get in because it will be a really nice price to get in at. Because right now at 33 and after hours 32. So yeah, is a bit of big sell-off. So we might even see a bit of like hold up around this gap around the 27. But yeah, between this 27 24 will be a big buying pressure happening really soon for Virgin Galactic. Here this will be a really big buying pressure for Virgin Galactic. And what we actually have again, okay, we have clean energy. Okay, clean energy, we going back to our support. As I said, guys, the $7.55, as we predicted, is going there, guys. We got rejected here, simple as that. We didn't go to the 911. We got massive rejection here. That's why we heading toward the 9.5. Here, around the $7, guys, $7.50, $7.63. Here is good price to buy clean energy. Really nice average price here. Perfect price. We're gonna see a price jump and going as high as the $8.24 really soon. So this will be a really nice swing trade. And the other one is CCL. Okay, CCL, what we have here. CCL. Is it in? I don't know if it's this one. No. Are you sure it's a CCL? Because I couldn't find it. Okay, AMC, GameStop, just a bit of bear period right now. Yes. I don't know about AMC, GameStop, and Virgin Galactic. They are really volatile, guys. So we can define them in any stock sector, you know, because they're volatile. They won't go up by 100% and go down 100%. So we don't define it in any stock. We should look for the chart. For AMC right now is still uptrending if you want to see the chart. Even above the 20, okay? Because we went until the 70, is overextended. Yeah, you're right about Millies, you're right about EXLA. Okay, EXLA, we already did the video about it in the morning. Hopefully you saw it. Okay, let's go MMT, let's go Branson, let's go. What's up, RV? RV, what's up? Okay. Humble, good. Mark, yes, I play guitar, but you know what? The market is make me really lose my mind a bit. So yeah, I play guitar to relax a bit. And okay, let's see CCIV and Workhorse or BlackBerry. Yes, BlackBerry. Okay, CCIV just broke the level that we draw and we accumulating below our support. This is not looking good around the 24, guys, 55. So yeah, we broke the ascending line here and we predicted the price. As I said, if we hold this ascending line, we're gonna see the 32. Unfortunately, we actually went down before our ascending line and we broke the ascending line and the support. So by tomorrow or this next week, we might see the 21. Here we're gonna see a hold up for the 21 in coming days, guys, because we broke the ascending line. So this is the next target above the 20. Above the 20, we're gonna see a big buying pressure to take us to consolidate around this area to go up again. And again, here still we actually still uptrending, or consolidating after this massive jump down. Okay, this is the midway, the most important price target for CCIV, the 21. It have a big significant value. Okay, any price go below, we're gonna see a downtrend. Any price hold up, we're gonna see a consolidation before we go up again. So we should hold the 21 or test the 21 really soon. And whenever we test the 21, we're gonna see a big buying pressure. And yes, I forget BlackBerry. Yes. And yeah, BlackBerry, guys, as I said, we heading toward the $9.61. Unfortunately, we don't have any support right now. There is no support, just the support around the $9.61 is heading toward the $9.61. So this is what's gonna happen because we exploded from this triangle. This is the first warning sign. Hopefully you saw the video that I did so many times. I told you this ascending line we have to respect. Look with me. Let me go in a big picture. I told you guys this is the most important ascending line to hold our trend. And guess what? We broke it. And the moment that we broke it, I told you this is a sign of weakness. We broke it actually around the 18th of June. So this is kind of thing you have to see if we actually downtrending or uptrending. Now when we have this sign, even we got the buying pressure and go up, you have to never get in until we have a confirmation for the price go up. And I told you the 13 guys here, the 13 the line here, the 1350 guys, this price I told you to hold. The price will go down, will be really bad. That's why we actually right now we don't even hold the 1212. The perfect price to average down or to buy BlackBerry, my opinion, is $9.60. And what we else we have? Mel's, I already did the LKCO. You could actually check it. Go back in the beginning. We covered LKCO. I know. Link, H link, I know, because MMAT, a lot of people don't know like MMAT, but the first search, like for YouTube, for the search engine, TRCH is still workable, you know, because I tried. Jesus, okay, clean energy. Luis, we already covered clean energy. I told you about the prices. I told you, Luis, the $7.51 would be a really good price to average down here. And here we have to see a price jump. So be careful from here, even for clean energy. Here we should see a bounce and hold. Any price go below, I don't suggest you to stay below the $7, okay? Below the $7 will be the price might go even lower. So below the $7 will be bad. Around the $7.50 is a really good price to get in, and the price to cut your losses around below the $7. And any price hold here will be perfect to bounce and will be really nice, because if we look in a big picture, way downtrending, guys. 1, 2, 3 higher lows, and now when we actually go to $7.54, we're gonna see a bounce and go as high as 11.24. So this will be a really nice trade for clean energy. Hopefully, Luis, this was clear enough for you, okay? Freddy, you talk to me in French. Quand tu peux. Merci. You got my attention actually when you talk French. Hi, Kiwi. Happy to see you here. Yes, Melis. Excel likes ribbing. But be careful now as we actually close our resistance right now for EXLA. So be careful from this one. Yeah, we hit our rejection area, guys, here around the $5. So be careful from EXLA because now we saw the rejection around the $5.08, and look with me, we don't see a closing candle above. That's why we got rejected, and now we heading below because we are on the $4. We hold above the $4. This is good, but it still is a warning sign if we go below, guys. This will be really the last support for us around this area that we tested around the $3.87. We should see a bounce here by tomorrow. If not, we're gonna see the $3.10 again. So be careful. Any price go below the $3.87, for sure we're gonna see the $3.10, and this will be not good sign, because this will be like will take us a bit of time to go to $6 because we were really near around the $6.30. Everybody speak French right now. Even Lawrence speak French to me. Yeah, we'll do, humble. Be careful, Melis. Be careful from AMC at the $31. Still, we don't have a support. The support I told you around the 25 for AMC. Okay. No, you're not late, Fanga. 13, Vanguard 13. No problem, right. Freddy said Ahlan wa sahlan in English. It's really funny to write it like this. Okay, guys, you know what I'm seeing right now? A lot of you have this massive problem. Let's talk about this because this will save you a lot of money, guys. Let's take this for instance, okay? Some of my student, and he knows himself right now, he usually take my like my signals and Patreon, and he buy, and I tell him to sell around the $5.08. He sold. Then guess what happened? When the price just went up again for this red candle, it was green at the time, so he bought around the $5.20. Okay, then the price go down. You see, so he lost the profit that he made when he actually entered here, because he actually got FOMO and bought at the top, and he didn't wait to see the closing candle. As I said here, he don't have patience. He jump. He's not the only one. A lot of you have this problem, me as well at the beginning. So I learned my lesson when I just sat down and I calculate what have I I have done to lose money. Guys, this is just be plain simple. The problem is you, not the market. When you're not actually jumping from stock to stock and trading a lot and you buy and you sell, you take a profit, then what's happened? You jump in to the same stock at the all-time high. Come on, guys. Come on, don't do this. Hopefully this was informative for you guys so you never try to do the same mistake. Brian in the house. Happy to see you here. Ricardo. Yes, Ricardo, we did LKCO in the beginning. You could actually go back and rewatch it. Okay. Yes, Ricardo. Jonathan, we have the chance to go to 100, but we didn't because we have a massive 700 around the 70 price. We got rejected. Okay, now we actually going down. The selling pressure is really heavy, and now we trigger a lot of like FOMO, people actually selling right now. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen for AMC. Is going toward the 25 before we see any buying pressure happening soon. And the big support for AMC, if we don't hold the 25, the 20, this is the massive strongest support for AMC, and it will be a really good swing trade for anybody who actually in the sidelines. Mori, Fobo, we're gonna go through this in a bit because we got a lot of stocks, guys. I don't know if we can cover all of this in one. Okay, we talked about MMT, Adrian, at the beginning. Hellsgate said TEL and XRS. We never actually covered those before. We're gonna go through them in a bit. Wait a second, let's go back and see to cover a bit. Ahmed, we cover BlackBerry for you. So I will try to just cover one stock for each, okay? Because we can actually cover each. Everyone have 5 stocks. We can cover them all. So we can actually just take one stock for each if we could. Okay. Okay, let's take Mori. He said Fobo. Then we cover Alex. No, not Alex, because he asked about if the market, like we are in downtrend. And we can cover after this Junior XRT. Then we cover Marine. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. So what's going on with this one? Technology, services, and the volume, average volume is almost 7 million. Okay, for this one, we already talked about it this at our Patreon for our hunter, because I already demand this for me to review. and we broke from the 30 and now 25. And yes, for this one is kind of heading toward the 23, a bit of support here. We're gonna see a bit of support right here. So yeah, be careful from this area around the 23, 24. We should have a support here for this one before we actually test the 30 again. And again, this is really important for this one. Around the 22, 23, we're gonna see a lot of buying pressure for this one. We should hold. If not, we're gonna see a price go as low as the 15. But I predict the price will have a bit of buying pressure here again before we actually see a buying pressure, because now we have a selling pressure because we have 1, 2 rejection and we actually broke from the support. So we have to go to find support, the support here, the first support here. And if we don't hold, as I said, we're gonna see a drop again. So here, a high probability, 80% chance that we're gonna see a bounce at this level. Wait a second. So now Marina, then we see Freddy, he talk about glove and CRTD. Okay, CRTD. Let's see this CRTD. What's going on with this one? Wow. Okay, this is clear as day. We hit with the resistance around the $7.63. We hidden around our ascending line right now around the $3.50. Here would be a really good price to buy around the $3.55, $3.60. Really good price to average down, because here we're gonna see a massive buying pressure, and take your profit next time around the $5.60. Okay, what else we have here? We can cover marine, then we can cover again, what else? Marine and yes, marine and XERS for health. Okay, let's see this one. Oh la la. You know, like pharmaceutical company always have crazy movement, guys. Always have massive gains and massive sell-off. For this one is kind of is good to buy right now. Is really good price to average down around the $3, because now we are around the $3.50 and hidden around the $3. And kind of the resistance for this one is around the $5.84. I will take my profit anytime, any day for this one around the $5.84. If you bought around the $3, just take from there. And the big picture, we're still doing higher lows right now. So here we have to respect this level to the $3, guys. Any price go below around the $2.77, get out, because the price will go even lower. So this is will be, let's calculate it. If you get you get in around the $3.20, let's say, and yeah, 10% down. But if you just take your profit around the $5.81, will be 81%. So you have the calculation is around the 7 to 1 risk to reward, or 1 to 7 risk to reward ratio. So this is how you calculate your risk and reward, guys, and cut your emotion when the price actually hit your exit target. Okay, hopefully that was informative for you, Hell. And go to Marina. Then we go to Humble. Let's go to Humble right now for Loring because he speaks French. Okay, if you speak French, guys, I will give you a priority, guys. Okay. Look, guys. We covered Humble before. And look what's going on to Humble. Thank you for bringing this up to me. We testing our ascending line like why we speak right now. Now we have to see a buying pressure. Right now, by tomorrow, we should see a buying pressure. But from the volume, I don't know about that. Still not. Yes. You see with me, guys, this is really important ascending line right now we testing. Really, we need the bounce right now. And this time, if we bounce, just take your profit around the $1.27. Again, we might see again rejection here before we actually break this time the resistance or ascending line. And really important, if we don't hold this level, we might go as low as the 0.60. Now we are around the 0.92. So if we broke this line, we're gonna see a buying pressure around the 0.60, guys. We're gonna see a big buying pressure here. If we don't see a buying pressure here, the perfect scenario, if we see a buying pressure here to take us again here to test the $1.27. And if we got rejected here this time around $1.27, get out, because we're gonna see for sure the 0.60 again. Okay, what we have here? Happy to hear, Taylor. That's how you hunt. That's how you hunt. You wait, you let the price come to you, then sell at the resistant area and you take your profit. Go on, move on. That's how the market maker do, and that's how you trade, guys. But a lot of new traders take it personally, guys. When they actually buy a stock, they kind of own it. It's kind of psychological level. A lot of people can't wrap their head around when they buy something, not even a stock, like a piece of clothes or a house. They feel that this kind of things have more intrinsic value than it is, you know? So this is not good. Yes, Ray, you are my brother from another mother. Yeah, I feel familiar to everybody. French presentation. Comment allez-vous? Très bien, beginner. I think you translated from Google Translator. Okay, what's we going on here? Guys, we try to make money here, okay? So always have a plan. Never get in the market without having a plan. You're gonna lose a lot of money if you did. Okay, naked, we have knock. Okay, people, just talk about knock. Let's go to knock and see what's going on. Naked. No, I didn't cover naked yet. Since Yannick, no. Okay. Let's go to naked and knock. Okay, for knock, look with me guys, we broke the resistance perfect around the $5.65. Nice gap even. Really perfect. So just expect this level guys. This level, the $6, really important. The $6.35. This is the next resistance level. For us, we need to actually test in order to see the price go until the $9.73. This will be a massive squeeze for Nokia. So this will be a massive squeeze. Just prepare for you to have this massive explosion for Nokia. And if we just go above the $6.35 and hold here and test and hold, any price go below, we're gonna see a price go again to $5.65 to accumulate. Any price hold above the $6.35, we're gonna see the $9.73. A big explosion guys. So take your profit below even the $9.73 just in case, and get ready to get in the wagon and buy at the dip again. That's how we do it. Yes, naked. Okay, naked, we broke the 0.55 guys. This is really not looking good. Look with me. I told you guys the 0.55, the most important one, and we got bounce and we have a buying pressure. That's good, but we hit with the massive rejection around the 0.60, and now the price is actually heading toward the 0.48 around this area guys. It's heading toward this level guys. This is really important. The next support for naked is a bit far, as if you want to call it, but yeah, this is how it is. Around this area we're gonna see a big bounce around the 0.50 or the 0.46. Around this technical area we have to see a bounce here. This will be really bounce, buying pressure will happen around this area because we don't hold the support guys. As I said, the 0.55 really important, and we broke it today because we tested around the 7th of July. Now we broke it. So be careful from this technical area that naked will test in the coming days. Hit the like button in the way in guys. Hit the like button in the way in. Show some love. So show some love. Yes, Ray, welcome to the Hunters. Join us, Ray, join us. We almost 50. The tribe's getting bigger on Patreon, getting bigger each day. As we said guys, in Patreon, pre-market update, be updated daily. So you could hunt Whatever like stock you actually request for me to update will be updated daily for you. So you hunt with me, Trading Jesus, at the right price value, guys, and never get cut at the top. So you can actually sell at the top, you buy at the bottom, and always get profit. Goku, yo is here. Finally you're here. You're a bit late, man. Okay, Sandal, naked. Okay. Watch Cabin today RKT. Let's think of KTD take RKT. Okay. What we else we have here? Freddy. Yes, Syncionic, because you said please. Let's go to Syncionic, guys. I got a lot of questions for Syncionic. Okay, for Syncionic, as I said, guys, Syncionic is going to the $2.82. As I said, guys, from the last video, the moment that we hit the rejection, as I said here, if we don't clear this area around the resistant area here, the $3.39, we're gonna see the $2.82. Hopefully you saw the video, because I said it, I warned you guys, cut your emotion, cut your losses here. The price going to $2.82. Today we hit the $2.85. So by tomorrow, guys, we need a big buying pressure around this area for Syncionic. If not, will be really bad, because will be a big jump down again around the $2, around the $2.50, around this technical area. Here we're gonna see a buying pressure again. Okay, between the $2.50 and the $2.42. Here we're gonna see another fighting chance to see a buying pressure again if we don't hold by tomorrow. Really important test by tomorrow, a turning point for Syncionic. The price go there, downtrending. The price hold, we're gonna see at least accumulation for the price before we go up. Turning point for Syncionic. Thank you for bringing this up to us to see the price for Syncionic happening soon. Yeah, Melise, technical analysis for Atos. Yes, we're gonna go to that. No problem, Hells, no problem. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you, Taylor. They are really funny. Sandal MC to the moon. Okay. Thank you, Ray. Thank you, Ray. That's what we want to hear here. The support for the Hunter tribe, guys. Okay, let's take Sandal for my brother from another mother, Goku. And the other one is Jasmine about Blend. Okay, Sandal and Blend next. Okay. Yes, 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 there. And sandal. Okay, those two. Let's start with Bridgeline Digital. Bridgeline Digital. And we covered this on Patreon as well. I told you guys a bounce here. This is really crazy what's happened with this price action. This is a really manipulation here for you guys. This is not normal, you know? No test, no accumulation, just a price here, just one day, then boom, we went down again. Then a test again for the $10.14. As I said, here the massive resistant area. Now we actually went down to the key level in the midway. So look with me for this one. Let me bring my triangle because I see something forming here. And yeah, you see, we have a bit of fake out from this triangle, and now we went back again down. So what we want to look for right now, a hold up for this level in order to actually go to test the $10 again. Any price go below here would be a sign of weakness, and we're gonna see the filling in the gap around this area. Okay, around this area we're gonna see a bounce for the $4.08. This is a really important price, the $4.08, really important. Around the $4 here we're gonna see a big buying pressure if we don't hold the $5.81. And the other one is sandal. For sandal, guys, look with me closely. As I said, the moment that we broke, as I said, and the same pattern for a lot of stocks that forming ascending line like this one. Any break, guys, this one test and rejection. That's why we actually never go below above the $1 again. And now the price hold above the 0.84. So there's a big chance after this test and rejection right now, there's a big chance that we're gonna visit the 0.77 again. This is really important level, okay? This is a really important level, and there's a high potential chance that we're gonna go again to 0.77 again. So be careful for sandal for visiting this area. We're gonna see a buying pressure here again. And if we don't hold again, this will be the last support for us for sandal around the 0.66. This is crazy prices, guys. 0.77, 0.66 is like, it's not by chance, but this is what the chart give me. But this is kind of prices we should respect. And my opinion, if we don't hold the 0.66, it will be really bad and downtrending for sure for sandal. Any price hold above this, we'll see a bit of fighting chance to go above the $1 again, okay? Thank you, Tal Madara. Thank you. Give all the love to you back. Goku, have any question for Sandal Goku, or was this clear for you? If you have any question, you could actually ask me. Yeah, Baba, I think it was doing good before last time we cover it. But we can see it right now for really quick. We covered this lately in the last live, but we don't hold. As said here, guys, the 221 we didn't hold. We went as low as the 198, and now this is really not looking good for Baba, because now we hold a bit of support here, but okay. You know, for this one I don't like, because we've been downtrending since every time we doing this down price like downtrend from 300 until the 200 DC. And now if we just got rejected by tomorrow, this will be another test. This will confirm my hypothesis. If we got rejected here around the 220, we're gonna see a test for 197. If we don't hold, we're gonna see a price go as low as the $1 170. Okay, this will be another downtrend, and this will be nice average down around 170. Really good. I will put even for me a notification for this one, because if we get rejected here, we're gonna see the 170 really soon for Baba, and 170 will be a really good price to average down. And if we don't hold the 195, okay, it will be really perfect if we bounce for 195 for Papa. Wait a second. $45 downtrend. Yeah, it was really crazy. Yes. Always good, beginner. I like your name, actually. You called yourself beginner. So you learn every time. If you call yourself beginner for anything, you're always learning. Okay. Yes. Let's see workhorse, guys, because we don't cover workhorse. Okay. Okay, workhorse find a bit of support around the 1143 after we got rejected. 3 double rejection, as I said, around the 1818. And as I said, the 1818 is the most important level for workhorse. And now we find a bit of support around the 1144. So hopefully we hold this level in order to make at least a try to get over the 1818. So this is the game plan for workhorse, because now we see a bit dip right now. Look, a bit of dip test for the 1129, and let's see what's going on after hour just to make sure. Okay. Yes, is around the 1146, and our support is around the 1148. So this will be a really turning point if we close or open by Friday around the 11 or below our support 1148, and we close below. This will be really bad because we might see the price go as 4.89. This will be really in the future because we might see a hold up around that $8 or $9 before we go to the 4, of course. But this will be like downtrending from there because we already have our chance to get over this level and try to go higher after we did this massive jump down since the like in mid-February. So we have the chance to change the trend, but we didn't. That's why I told you guys, if we close here, this is the big chance that we're gonna see the $5 or $4.89 in coming days, weeks, or even months, because we're gonna see a bit of consolidation, hold up here and test here to 1145, all that jazz. So there's a lot of technical, but I'm just save you a lot of things, and I'm just telling you what's happening in the future because we're gonna see a test again for 1145. And so I'm just telling you really fast technical analysis, and yeah, to save you a lot of time. Around the below here closing candle, it will take us around the $4.89 for workhorse. So hopefully we hold by tomorrow. High tide. Oh, it's been a while last time we did the high tide. Hi, the dream 100, 1030, 1308. I don't know why this number. Okay, do you know? I think you read the book Alice in Wonderland, in not in Wonderland but Numberland. I think you read this book because this actually give you a bit about idea about numbers. I think you are fascinated about numbers. That's why you choose this number. Yes, let's see high tide because last time we covered it, it's been like ages. Yeah, we're gonna go, Phil, we're gonna go to HCMC in a bit because we're still holding our level. We're gonna check the chart in a bit, okay? Just stay put. Let's see high tide first. High tide. Okay, we have the earning 300% down. Really bad this one. It happened at 28th of June, and that's why drive the price down. And we broke the support. So yeah, this is not looking good right now because now we close after hours is around $6.87, is below the support, the $6.87 precisely. So this is one that will be really important because we might go even lower. Average volume is below the 500k, guys. I don't like to trade stock that have like below the 500k because it's not good to get in and get out fast. And yeah, So this one will downtrend even more if we never actually go above. And even if we go above, there is a massive resistant area will happen around this area, around the $7.35 before we actually go down. If we want to change the momentum that we did here and here, lower low, we want to go over the $7.50 in order to go higher. But now what I see a rejection around the $7.30 before we go even lower for this one. And let's see HCMC. So Phil, the price is still holding as we said in the last video. We're still holding, we're still holding. So we saw a bit of 0.0011. The next level that we want to see a closing around here and accumulation here before we see a test here. So it would be really nice here for this level. And the big price jump and any test for explosion is the 0.021 here. And as I said, taking profit next around the 0.0044. This would be a massive rejection whenever we see another buying pressure like happened before. And for the volume, yes, the volume is getting up, guys. Is getting up and ready to explode. Wait a second. Yes, AMC is loading, guys, so be careful. From HCMC is actually loading up, be careful. So as I said, price go by the not even tomorrow, next week. If we saw the 12, then the 15, this will be a clear indication for bump. If we just saw the 0.0012 really soon, we're gonna see maybe that happening in the earning later, because usually the earning doesn't correlate with it because never actually have anything with the chart. But yeah, now the volume is changing right now, Val. So be careful from this one. Put notification for this one because it will happen really fast. Yes, loading. Val is loading. HCMC is loading. From the chart, I see it is loading. So prepare for this one. And of course, Val, we need to hold this support. And seeing the 0012 accumulation, then take off. ADX. No problem, Phil. Beginner trader. No problem, Louise. We're gonna talk. We're gonna chat for sure in this weekend. One-on-one chat for sure. We're gonna discuss everything, prices, how to hunt, everything, all the jazz. So you prepare for the next week. Yes, we talked about EXLA. Yeah, you can actually go back and check it out. Nice one, professional. Nice one. You're getting professional right now. Cut your emotion. Everything is relative. Don't focus on it. Don't be fixated on the win or the losses. This is will actually the recipe for disaster, you know? Anybody have a goal for trading, guys? Like price goals? Anybody actually make their first million, or are you still in work in progress? Never, Havana. You talk about this song, but I will search for it right now. Actually, Banana Boat song. Well, check it right now. This is an old one. It's a slave song. I don't know. You're really random, man. Okay, okay. B. The dream said B. D. P. G. I. Okay. For this one is really nice because we have a really nice bounce, 3 bounce here. This is actually confirm our support right now around the $4, guys. This is really good. Around the $4.46 and $4.50. This is really important support. And any price hold above this, we're gonna see another test around this area, around the $6.70 or $6.50. I will take my profit. $6.70, I will take my profit anytime, any day. And here the support, you just average down here. Any price hold up here will be perfect. Any price hold above this area, above the $4 and 30 or until the 50, this will be a technical area where we see a big buying pressure. Any price hold here, we're gonna see for sure another bounce for the $6.70, and really nice like a swing trade for this one. Yes, work in progress. Aha. No problem, the dream, no problem. Let's see the bottom for this one. Really good. Super League Gaming. You know what? This one, look what happened. This is crazy one. Look what happened to the volume here between the 16th of November here. This is a big, what's it called? Manipulation happened here, guys. A crazy manipulation for this stock, guys. I don't trust this one when I saw this. But however, we still actually doing good because we're still uptrending right now in this ascending line. And if we draw at least the support for this one will be around this area, I will be really confident around the $3.79. Any price bounce, okay, I'm gonna tell you for this one, by tomorrow we need to hold this ascending line, because if we don't, will be a bit of sign of weakness and we're gonna see a bounce from the $3.79. But my idea, if we bounce from here, would be perfect. If we hold this level, would be really nice. First, we're gonna see a test again for the $6 here, 33. If we go above this, the sky is the limit. If we go above the $6.33, I take my profit around this area, the $8.68. So this is the game plan for this one, guys. Simple as that. Bounce from this one. We're gonna see the test for $6.33. If we clear it, take your profit around the $8.68. If we're not, we're gonna see a bounce again and test here and we consolidate before we actually explode. This will be the perfect reaction and perfect scenario, like this and this. And if we don't, we're gonna see clear here and test and hold up here. And this will be the really strong and bottom for the $3.79. Any price go below, get out, because the price will go even lower. Cut your emotion, get in, get out, know your limit, know your bottom, where your bottom, know your price. Judy said, I don't know what is that. Okay, we'll check this one out. Let's check this one out. Innovative payment solution. Okay, this one is hit bottom. Actually, this one is hit really clear bottom right now, and it's perfect. You know why? Because for this one, I really like it, because we doing a bit of higher lows right now. You see, perfect. And the price is accumulating. We doing higher lows, okay, and lower highs. So the price is squeezing, okay. And if we started doing this, we're gonna see explosion again. This is really volatile stock, so be careful. We're gonna see the 0.20 and now around the 0.08. So let's go to the volume to see more clearly what's going on. Okay. Yeah, I see a bit of weakness, guys. I see a bit of weakness. However, the clear indication for change in momentum for this one is around the 0.13, okay? Because now I see a bit of weakness because we're doing higher lows and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is really bad. And however, we still holding above this line. So any price hold above the 0.069, we're gonna see a test for the 0.13, and any price go above the 0.13, we're gonna see a spike really high around the 0.30 and above. Just if we clear the 0.13, because this will be a change in momentum and go up, change in momentum and go up. And if the price go below the 0.069, this is downtrending and going down. So if you want to short it, go short from here. If you want to long if we go up. And I don't suggest to buy in between, because this is undecisive and you lose money if you did. $999, you lost 60% of CTRM. You don't see my videos. I told you about the warning sign, about the drop. Yeah, this will be a really really important thing to cover right now, because you lost 60%. So yeah, CTRM, yes, CTRM. A lot of people ask CTRM, so we're gonna cover CTRM for you guys right now. And Banana Havana, he said Benji bottom. Okay, Benjio. What else we have? What else we have? Okay, let's go right to it, guys. Let's hunt. Okay, we went again to our support, and this is a big sign of weakness, guys. Look. A rejection here. Boom, we go back again around the $2.16, and we close above our support. So any price go below, I don't actually like it one bit, because this will be really bad, and the price will gravitate this time around the $1.70. There's a big a lot of, I don't know, yeah, around the $1.74 here. If we don't hold this level, we're gonna see a hold up here, guys. So this is really important, because if each time, look with me, each time we draw the line, I told you guys, here we're gonna see buying pressure. Boom, we got buying pressure. Okay, here I told you gonna see a buying pressure around the $3.50. We saw it. Boom. Okay, here we saw buying pressure on the $3. Boom. This is really good. This is, if you hold, you're gonna lose money, like you said, 60%. But if you just sell around this bump and then buy at that support that I just said, and then sell a bit, you gain all the losses, and you actually get in green. If you just sell, don't hold and it's like make you lose money. But if you sell at the top, then you wait until you see the rejection. But when I told you resistance, just sell. When I told you the support will go to support and we see a buying pressure, just buy. So this is the trick, guys. Even here, if we go to $1.74, why are you holding all this way if you know that the price will go to $1.74? But a lot of people have trouble to sell, because they think that they already hold for 60%, or they just hold and they don't know other way. They don't know the price will go down. They think the price will go up. Double A01, it's easy. Everything is easy. Even physics is easy. We make it hard. Even Einstein said it. He actually narrowed down the law of gravity and the universe in this really simple and small law. So this is how it works. If you make something simple, it mean you understand it. If you make something hard or people don't understand it, it mean you didn't understand it. Okay? Just put it, this is in your mind. Even if you go to the college and try to understand something, it's really hard. It's mean the teacher doesn't know, understand exactly what he's talking about. I don't know about this professional. I don't know about this. I'm not sure actually. I'm not sure. We already covered Atos, Mia Car. Thanks, double thanks. Professional, we already covered gaming with the support, with the resistance. You can actually go back because in streaming you can actually go back and try to see the video again. Yeah, there's a possibility you can do that. Okay, Joe, Astra. Let's see Astra very quick. Yeah, Havana, buy low, sell high. But in reality is there's emotion. The most important thing is emotion. It's not about our trade strategy. It's all about emotion, human psychology and emotion. Is like 90% of trader if you want to make money or lose money. That's it. But it is easy, but it's hard, you know. Yeah, you can reply later as you want. Okay, for Astra, we already covered this on our Patreon, guys, and I told you really important level to hold this support, the 1204. We break it 1187. So for this one, you see this wick. This is a wick just for a test for the price around 11. So if we just go back again here this week, guys, if we got back again around $11.30, just get out. Okay, because we're gonna go to the level around the $9.87 again and stay here for a while and accumulate again. If we just go back by tomorrow and we have a closing candle here really small around the $11.25, just get out because we're gonna see the $9.87, and here we're gonna see a hold up for price before we actually jump again. It will be a really long ride. Okay, so be careful because we already have a big sign of weakness here. And okay. Mm-hmm. Lofty, we already covered Sensianic. Hopefully you saw the video. You can actually go back after the live streaming and you can check it out. Guys, hit the like button and the way in. ADX, we cover it. Yes, we cover it even before, just to make sure to see the target level, just for you to show you that we already cover it. And here, where is ADX? IDX. Yes, here. Yes, as I said, we already put the level and the target. The support here around the $2.42. We've been testing it. We broke from our ascending line. This is a sign of weakness, and we test it before we go back down. So this is a sign of weakness, and I told you guys we might see the price go lower this time around this level $1.70, this technical area, before we see a buying pressure happen anytime soon. If we confirm by today, we close around the $2.32. So be careful from this one because we already have a sign of weakness, and this will be a midway around the $2 or the $1.80 here. Yes, $1.80. We're gonna see a buying pressure again for IDX, and the perfect scenario if we have this play through. Look with me. If we actually bounce 182 here from this ascending line, will be really nice. Will be still in uptrend actually. No problem. Nice, Havana. Nice for the info. Okay, let's see Sophie for Samurai, or I don't know what's your price. Okay. And Sufi, as I said, guys, we cover it as well at our Patreon. And I told you, I told my hunter, you see this drawing, I said, guys, here the test we should hold around the 1718, and we got the buying pressure and we got rejected perfectly around the 2099. Then we got rejected and go this time breaking this the support. Now we heading around the 1453, and here we're gonna see a big buying pressure for Sophie. So here my suggestion, get ready to hunt around the 1450. Here we're gonna see a big buying pressure as it happened here. Nice, Chris. Nice to hear people get started to hunt. Exactly. Um, okay, let's see this. What's going on with heavily trending stocks right now? AMC the second, Virgin Galactic is the third, and the sentiment is still on the SPY right now. Is a lot of sentiment is green right now. We see for AMC, look with me, the sentiment is a lot bearish right now. Is more bearish than actually bullish. Virgin Galactic as well. Apple, of course, Apple. GameStop is more. Yes, let's see GameStop, because I think we're heading down for GameStop again. As you said, banana. You said AMC and GameStop is really good price to average down now. So let's see GameStop first. Yes, 169, as we said, guys. We're gonna see the price gravitate even down for GameStop. Yeah. Hopefully you saw the video that I did here, guys. I told you guys here, this is a massive rejection. And again, ascending line, we broke from it. A lot of confirmation of weakness for GameStop. And I told you the price will go here around the $1, guys. We going down for this price. We going down to test this price. Is we heading? We really getting near around this technical area. No problem, no problem. So guys, as I said, always be patient and never jump in without confirmation candle. And if you're interested in a pre-market update review for your favorite stock, or one-on-one caution, or one-on-one actually consultation to your portfolio, you can actually join us in Patreon, guys, in Patreon in the comment section. And we can actually do this right now and try to put the Patreon here. You can actually go and join us, guys. Join us and let's get right to hunt. Yes, I will put this in the top. Yes, we should join us, guys, in Patreon. We can actually discuss the prices and everything, pre-market, aftermarket, and Discord channel, and everything you want. So you could hunt like me as a trading Jesus. We're already almost 50, guys. So let's get to the 100 Patreon for this year, or even to the 1000. Why not? Okay guys, I'm trying to do live streaming again very soon, maybe this weekend or even tomorrow, to cover the prices, because now the market is really in red, so we can cover this out. We already covered AMC area 2X. You can actually go back in the same live streaming and you can rewatch it at the beginning of the video. We cover it. The prices, where you get in, where the entry, where the price will bounce, everything. No problem. No problemo. Moscheler sur LKCO. I don't understand this word. Ah,
Boucherie.
boucherie. Uh-huh. Boucherie, yeah, oui, boucherie. Yeah, boucherie sur LKCO. You're right. It's been cutting like it's BBQ. Yes, yes. Okay, guys, as I said, happy to see you here and good hunting for tomorrow. Be patient, don't jump in, and take your profit. Always take your profit. And join us on Patreon. In the comment section below, or here in a comment in the live chat, and we can actually discuss live pre-market update and technical analysis for your favorite stock and much more. So join us, guys, and see you in the next live streaming, always at 10 p.m. Paris time. So always stay tuned at this time to be at the time to watch the live streaming and never come late, because we don't have to cover all the stock with that being covered always, because we got a lot of requests for the stock. So the earlier you come, the faster we can actually cover your stock. So without further ado, see you in the next video, guys.